everybody, I'm done. Finally. I didn't think it would happen. I had a few issues, bumps in the roads, but I'm done. And these 4 cars, at first, the first video I told you that I couldn't confirm at that point where they may or may not be going, but I have the go-ahead to let you guys know that these 4 cars will be at the Spiel, where, let me see, I believe that's it. I think that's it. It's a toy fair in Nuremberg, Germany, on, looks like January 30th through February the 3rd. It's a big toy expo-ish thing over there in Germany. And the 4 cars that Mike Guest over at mcwfinishes.com asked me to build for him will be going over there and hopefully represent MCW Finishes. These were, so this car I think is a new tooled body by AMT. This car is a not new tooled body by AMT. The Galaxy is from old molds and takes quite a bit of cleanup to get it looking good. Not impossible at all, but actually they turned out really nice. The Novas were so clean, the body was so clean, but I had problems. I rarely have problems with my paint, but obviously when the man who makes the paint asks me to do something, I'm going to have trouble. It's nothing to do with the paint at all. But yeah, I had trouble with the Novas. Painted one of them twice, painted the other one 3 times. I don't know what. The 3rd time on the lighter green color one, it fell over in the incubator and ruined the brand new paint job. So yeah, they got quite the bath treatment, the Novas did. The Galaxies, they turned out great first shot. But anyway, make a quick video here and show you the finished product. So the first one is the, let me move this out of the way. The first one is the Galaxy, and it is, darn, hold on a second, let me get the bottles, I forgot the color. Okay, so this one is Vintage Burgundy. It's 6435E Vintage Burgundy. These are all enamels, and that's the color of this Galaxy. And it turned out looking really pretty. I don't want to touch it a whole lot because I done tried to polish them up and not get fingerprints all over. But anyway, that's that one. A little bit of bare metal foil work. I'm just joking. It was quite a bit of bare metal foil work, but it turned out nice. And yeah, I didn't do much for interior detail. I did just do minimal detail to the dash and just make the interior clean. But anyway, there's the Vintage Burgundy, and the other Galaxy is, boy does it look orange on camera. It looks a little orange not on camera, but it really looks orange here. But this is a Poppy Red, 6434 Poppy Red. These are both period correct paints for these cars. And this one turned out great, like it a lot. So yeah, but they're curbside kits. There's no engine detail or anything like that, so it's just a curbside model kit, and they turned out cool. If you want a good Dukes of Hazzard color, I think this honestly looks a lot like the Dukes of Hazzard color. I don't think it is, but it looks close to it to me. But anyway, Nova, Chevy Nova here. This is Daytona Blue Metallic. This one only got 2 paint jobs. It didn't get 3 paint jobs, unfortunately. But it turned out really good. I just finished these last night, and turned out pretty cool. Cool little model kit too. This one did have the hood that would open, but I glued the hood shut. They don't have engines. They just got a basic undercarriage. It's just flat black, but it does have the plug where the engine would be. But I don't think we're worried about the underside detailing. We're just worried about the finishes and the colors to be able to display. Great canvases, by the way. A lot of surface area to show the color. But anyway, That turned out nice, little bare metal foil work. I actually painted the window posts with Molotov and the door handles on all of them with Molotov. The front windshield is bare metal foil. And I did the turn signals are turn signal amber by MCW, also enamel. So that is a cool color. They make the red and the amber for your turn signals. And last but not least is the Laurel green metallic. This is the one that got 3. Actually, I painted it twice, ran out of paint. Because, you know, I mix more than I need. But on the third one, on the second one, when the paint crashed or when it fell over in the incubator, I didn't have any more paint. That's what Mike sent me, and so luckily I looked in my stash of paints and I had a bottle of Laurel green metallic. So this is the one out of my stash, and I still got half a bottle left, so I can paint another car as long as it don't fall over in the incubator. But yeah, these were cool. I hope, like I say, I hope they represent well over in Germany. Hope they make it there well. You never can tell on that part. But yeah, this was cool. Thank you to Mike for entrusting me to take on such a feat. It was much of a challenge, right in the middle of my USAC build, which has taken a back seat until now. I've got these finished. But yeah, for someone to ask if you'd build their car to represent their company, I thought, wow, man, that was pretty cool. So thank you to Mike Guest over at mcwfinishes.com. And yeah, it's cool as can be. I'm glad to get them done. Now I'm going to put this thing in a time lapse. We're about to do the Gary Seeds shipment preparation for these things. Gary Seeds is my friend, an awesome model builder and painter, and he said you wrap them in a complete roll of toilet paper. So I don't have it in here. I'll go get it, but I'm about to put this thing on time lapse. We're gonna wrap them up, and you'll see them in the box headed to MCW Finishes, so Mike can then prepare them to be shipped to Germany. So with all that said, I appreciate you guys. I'm gonna do the quick time lapse. We'll wrap 1 or 2, and then you'll see them in the box, and then I'll show you some pictures of these up close at the end. Stand by. Alright, so I did go for the Charmin Extra Soft. I went for the cheap economy bath tissue. This ain't going on nobody's bottom. So we got the cheap stuff, and I might as well just roll one on regular speed just so you guys can see the precise. I've done this one other time, and I don't know if the car made it to the guy or not, because I accidentally shipped it to the wrong address. I'm not going to do this on this one. Yeah, I shipped my friend Sam a model, and darn if I didn't put the wrong address in it, and it went to the wrong house, and apparently those people liked it so good they kept it. So Sam never saw it, and I don't know what shape it made it in, but here we go. Whole roll of toilet paper. We're going to start with the Galaxy. This thing's probably going to put lint all over it, so Mike will have to de-lint these things. De-lint. Alright, let's see. Get it started here. We'll wrap them. Gary said an entire roll. Don't short yourself. So I got 4 rolls here. We're going to get them wrapped up, boxed up, shipped out, and yeah. Let's see. Maybe the Ultra Soft the Charmin should have been better to give it more of a cushion. But anyway, I think a whole roll right here is going to be just fine. The last time I'll ever see this model kit, I didn't even kiss it goodbye. I just wrapped it right up in toilet paper. So get it wrapped up. Alright, this is going to take longer than I thought. Be right back. Alright, so we have 4 freshly mummified model car kits. I think that will protect it from pretty much anything that you can, I would say, throw at it, but I wouldn't think it would protect it from something you throw. But anyway, anything that encounters on the bumpy road to Sanford, North Carolina. But yeah, we're done. Let's see how these fit in a box. They're easy to handle now. They're stackable. I do know that the wheels are down the way they are, so let's see how these things fit up in this box. All right, let's see the longer ones. The two longer ones, which I'm assuming, you know what, I got to get some packing stuff. I don't want to put them just in the bottom. Anyway, okay, false alarm. So they're all done. They're ready to go. Shipping them out today. Hopefully he'll get them by Tuesday, the 2nd of 2024. Oh, by the way, Happy New Year. And if I don't see you before then, Happy New Year. Hope your new year goes wonderful. 2024 is going to be fun, hopefully. It won't be like some years in the past where it wasn't so fun. But anyway, yeah. We're, where'd I put my papers? There we go. Just one last remembrance of what's wrapped up in there. But anyway, I might even send those with you. But anyway, guys, thanks for watching. Hey, as always, I appreciate all your support, everything you have done for me. Just, it's overwhelming. So thank you to my viewing audience, to all you people that have supported me in other ways too. Most importantly, guys, just watching these videos, give them a thumbs up, and yeah, subscribing if you haven't. Thank you to Mike over at mcwfinishes.com. As always, I want to remind you to go check out hobbynutmodels.com. He carries the MCW paint line, and you can grab you some of this great paint. And I appreciate all your support over there. mcwfinishes.com, hobbynutmodels.com, mcvproducts.com, where you can get yourself some great 3D printed stuff that I have been producing. Ellie helps pack it, okay? Yeah. It's a we. So we have been making here. It's been a blast. It's been a lot of work, but we have been able to keep up, and just barely, but been able to keep up. And yeah, it's been great. mcvproducts.net. If you hadn't already gone over there, go check it out. And anyway, enough talking, guys. Thanks so much for all you do. And hopefully these will be in Germany middle of the month, end of January. So that'd be cool. All right, guys, you take care, and we'll see you later. Bye.